Who's your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush is the one, the only, Blake Shelton.
Ah,
Come on,
yes,
I
of
named my
course.
dog after him.
Of course.
Because he's everything.
And he seems half buzzed all the time.
That's one of my favorite traits.
Speaking of half buzzed all the time, Kathie Lee. Are you guys really buzzed during the show?
We are only buzzed if we do 3 in a row. Like sometimes we have to tape multiple shows.
Okay.
If you're the last guest on the last show, we'd like to apologize to all of you. Oh God. I like to put a lot of stuff on it.
Chips. You know the first person I ever saw put chips on their sandwich? Sandra Bullock.
You know, that crunch, it gives it an extra umph. Then just squish it down and then dunk the corner in that. Get in there. Yes, like that.